What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys it's all about CHRONO.TECH guys, which has been pumping in value quite a bit. As you can see, a huge green candlestick always means a major pump in value. So yes, it has gone up just about 14% up in value, making it just about $70. As you can see, most of the peak in value did come from the last, I'll say, hour or two as from when I'm recording the video. So we're going to be looking at, is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? Or is it just time to hold on to the crypto and, hold on to it until it goes back up to about, I wouldn't say $500, but around $150 to $200. And looking at obviously its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are on the Coinbase website right now, and as you can see, the market is down 4% here, as you can see. However, CHRONO.TECH has managed to gain a spot in the top gainers list, and it is the third top gainer in the last 24 hours. So in the last hour itself, it managed to gain a massive 36% in a single hour, which is absolutely insane. Over the last day, 27%, because it has been dropping most of the time. Literally over the past 22 to 23 hours, it's been dropping all up until right now where it's started to pump. Over the week, 18% down, and over the month, a massive 164% up, guys. We did see it go all the way up to $159 back on the 17th of July, which was just near about 10 days ago. And ever since then, it's had a major drop. And I did warn you guys, when it was pumping up this much, do expect it to take a little dip and drop back down, and that is exactly what's taken place. But right now, it is going back up in value, so let's focus on that. So on the screen right now, we are on the CoinMarketCap website. The trading volume has gone up by 75% in the last 24 hours, making it just under $1 million, which is a lot of money that is being traded on CHRONO.TECH. But I am expecting this to increase over the next couple of hours. Let me just refresh here right now, see if it's made a difference. So scrolling down, yeah, it's gone, as you can see here, it's gone above $1 million now. So yeah, within the space of not even a minute, is increased. So I am expecting it to keep going up in value over the coming hours. Because of the pump here, we are going to see a lot of buyers as well as a lot of sellers. So on the screen, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to get out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So yes, we are looking at the daily chart, and we do have the purple line running across the chart here at the top, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing CHRONO.TECH at $65. However, we can see it's trading at a much higher value at $85, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue line and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and they are looking very steep, which is not realistic at all. So according to what the graph is telling us, is do expect it to keep pumping, keep going up in value over the next couple of hours, so next 12 to 14 hours. So let's say approximately by midday tomorrow, this crypto should consistently be hitting, or more or less consistently hitting, green candles, which again, I do not believe it's going to do that. I am predicting it to take a step back down. It took a little breather, just like what's happened last time when it pumped up in value. I'm expecting it to drop back down to about $70 to $75 over the coming hours, and then back down to about $65 to $70 by midday tomorrow. So again, the pump is something that's very temporary. It is going to drop back down soon, very soon, guys. Now moving on to the hourly chart, similar. As you can see, both the blue line and the orange line are looking positive, looking quite steep. So again, the graph thinks it's going to keep pumping in value, but I do not believe that. I'm expecting that it will drop back down in value. As you can see, a major green candle here, and the red candles has already appeared, meaning it's already starting to drop in value. But again, yes, it may reach $90, $95 or even $100, but again, the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. So by the end of this week, I'm expecting CHRONO.TECH to be back down to about $60 to $65, somewhere around there. Now moving on to the big daily chart, what can we see here? Now we're looking much more realistic, no more steep lines. We do have the blue line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the orange line is going in a straight line. It's not looking bullish or bearish, it's flat out going in a straight line, meaning an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected over the long run. So let's say early September to mid-September, we should expect an overall increase on CHRONO.TECH, but again, the increase is going to be very minimal, guys. It's not going to be nothing major. It's going to be, very minimal increases. Again, there's going to be dips in between, there's going to be peaks, there's going to be up and down, but the overall outcome at this point seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator, and as you guys can see, last week was a decent week for the crypto market. However, right now everything has started to drop, including Bitcoin has gone down all the way to $20,000, guys. About 3-4 days ago it was trading about 24,000, 24.5, but yeah, it has taken a slight dip, or major dips let's say, and Ethereum as well has taken quite of a dip, as you can see, nearly 9% down in the last 24 hours. So let's get the MACD indicator, sorry, not the MACD indicator, the Fibonacci scale. As you can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and the last time we did drop into the red zone was back in March, mid-March, and ever since then we've just been getting worse and worse and worse. But we are slowly and steadily starting to recover. There was this one point on the 17th of July, which I made a video on, where it pumped up really high all the way up to the green zone. But yeah, I knew that it was, straight away it was going to drop back to the red zone, and that is exactly what's taking place right now. Even though right now it's pumping, I'm not expecting it to head into the green zone, but more or less go up to the red zone, $110 maybe, and then drop back down in value. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on CHRONO.TECH, guys. A lot of you guys have asked me to make an update looking at, is it worth buying right now? Personally, it is a risky time to get into it right now, because I'm expecting it to drop back down in value, unless you want to hold on to it for the long run, take the risk and hold on to it for the next couple of months or years or whatever it is. Then maybe, yes, it may be worth holding on to it. But right now, if you're in a short-term traders, which I know a lot of people do short-term trade, personally it is a risky move, but again, it's up to you. It's easy to make money, but it's also very easy to lose money as well when you're doing short-term trades. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on CHRONO.TECH, guys. Let me know what your expectations and what your predictions are. How high are you guys expecting CHRONO.TECH to go in 2022? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. So as you can see, it's on 1 million. Let me just give it a last refresh to see if it's gone up. Let's have a look here. Yes, trading about 1 million. But yeah, actually it's gone up, guys. 1.4 million, gone up by 161%. So as I mentioned, yes, it will keep going up. The value of it will keep going, not the value, sorry, the volume will keep going up. But yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and a special thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.